The TIA token is now natively available on Pryzm. When you deposit TIA on Pryzm, you can receive two types of tokens, TIA yield tokens and TIA principal tokens. You can view these tokens on the maturities page and find more information by clicking the FAQ. TIA yield tokens provide you with all the yield generated from staked TIA until they mature. On the other hand, TIA principal tokens give you the right to redeem the original amount of TIA at maturity. Think of principal tokens as purchasing the right to receive 1 TIA in the future at a discounted rate now. To provide liquidity to the TIA boost pool, you only need the TIA token. You can easily send it over to Pryzm using go.skip.build. Once you have TIA on Pryzm, you can click Zero Impact Join, and just with one transaction, you are providing liquidity and now hold the TIA Boost LP token. When you own the Boost Pool token, you own a share of the liquidity pool which contains TIA, liquid staked TIA, and TIA principal tokens. You earn fees anytime anyone trades any of these tokens. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more updates. Thanks for watching.